In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Ads disapproved ads. First, sign into your Google Ads account and go to the campaign containing the disapproved ad. Locate the ad and check its status to confirm that it has been disapproved. Next, click on the ad and review the disapproval reason. Google Ads will usually provide a policy violation message explaining why the ad was rejected. After that, read the policy details carefully. Common reasons for disapproved ads include destination issues, misleading content, trademark violations, restricted products, editorial errors, or unsupported claims. Now, make the necessary changes to your ad. Update the headline, description, display URL, landing page, or any other content that violates Google's advertising policies. Next, save your changes and review the ad one more time to make sure it complies with the policy requirements. Once you're satisfied with the updates, submit the ad for review. In many cases, Google will automatically review the edited ad, but you may also have the option to request a review manually. After that, monitor the ad status in your Google Ads dashboard. Reviews can take some time, so check back periodically for updates. Finally, if you believe the ad was disapproved by mistake, you can submit an appeal and request another review through the Google Ads Policy Manager. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Google Ads disapproved ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.